They're probably in shallower areas because they don't need to be in deep areas. But as they get bigger, they probably move into those deep areas, deep water, where the sunfish are, okay? Finally, a lot of times people come to Texas State University, that's aquatic biology department, because they're like, well, what do you think we should do to improve rivers to support or keep Guadalupe bass living there? Remember, Guadalupe bass is a state fish of Texas, so they don't want it to go extinct. Well, looking back at where we found them, remember we found them associated or near boulders and ledges or undercut banks or root wads, so they were near cover. So how do you think we can improve the river?
Put more boulders and ponds.
Very good. Increase the number of undercut banks, root wads, and boulders. Okay, that's what we would give suggestions or conclusions to help improve river conditions for this species. Those are the type of questions and processes we do here at Texas State. Ms. Henry kind of wanted me to go over how did I get to that. And so I didn't get to do your Science Fair Academy. I was 1 year too old.
Oh.
I know. But when you get into 7th and 8th grade, you do science. You do a science fair project. And also in 9th grade, when you go to Seguin High School, you will do a science fair project. When I was younger, I did a science fair project on the bugs in the Geronimo Creek. Okay,
So just very similar to what y'all did yesterday.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
And I got to go to a free trip to Boston and a free trip to San Francisco. Okay, so when you're in it, you have to put in a lot of work, but you also get free trips places.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you can also
Mhm.
get money, scholarships.
Scholarships.
Okay, so I did all that, and then that's how I determined I wanted to come to Texas State in the aquatic biology department because of things like what you're doing right now and being in a science fair when you get older. Okay? Are there any questions about anything? No? Okay.
Ask. Now's your chance. Thank you. That was very good.